And welcome, viewers, to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, and this is our bonus features segment. First thing we're looking at are GPS errors, the total electron content forecast, the coupled thermosphere, ionosphere, plasmasphere, electrodynamics, total electron content forecast. Things are fairly normal here. We are seeing a pretty big reduction in the electron flux over the Indian Ocean and the African continent. We'll let it play through one more time. GPS errors happen most often around the equator at noon. For you new viewers out there, or for you people who don't understand physics out there, those are the most likely spots for GPS errors. So what you're looking at here is the total electron content between your GPS satellite and your handset through this plasmasphere, the Van Allen belt, this plasmasphere, and the rest of the atmosphere is what that's designed to show. So no charging hazards here at the moment. Satellites are in green mode. Next, there's the 1-year chart of the relativistic electrons. To put it all in context, just in a moderate range here, here's the 3-day chart as measured by the GOES 16 and 17 using radiography from their near equatorial geosynchronous orbits. They measure it at the F ionosphere layer. We're going to show you that next. First, the electron forecast model. We're expecting fairly flat levels here. I have no reason to argue. Followed by a precipitous increase. Next, the ionosphere layer. We're going to show you the F layer, which is where those measurements are intended to be made. This is vibrational frequency of the F layer. And we'll let this play through, and then we'll show you the anomaly gram. We are seeing some anomalies here once again, mainly around the South Atlantic, Southern Africa, and Southern South America. Also a little bit over the Central Atlantic Ocean there, some rapid swings from low to high frequency anomaly. This is showing anomaly in megahertz from the 30-day median. Remember, folks, March is the second most geomagnetically active month here on planet Earth. The Earth is more geomagnetically active around the equinoxes. So now that we've showed you the ionogram and the anomalygram, let's bring up the latest image. There's 1230 universal time ionogram. There's 1230 universal time anomalygram. Some low-frequency anomalies happening in the South Pacific, South Africa, and South America. Southern South America. Anyway, welcome to the Neo-Renaissance, folks. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Did you know we're writing a paper plausibly explaining the mechanism underlying the solar sunspot and solar polar field reversal cycles? Thanks to everybody who's been supporting us over the years. We've been making daily space weather videos for over 4 years now. One of the ways you can support the channel is to pick up merch. You can find links below the video to it. The products are spectacular. The print quality is ridiculous. The messages are poignant. Thanks to everybody who has picked up merch. Move the bar. Universum liberate. Do not pole vault the caldera. To quote Winston Churchill, if you're going through hell, keep going. If you'd like to support the content and you prefer to see the videos continue to exist and remain publicly visible, become a member of the Smash team. At the gold or silver subscriber level especially, we replace Patreon with a superior website, our own. Nothing against Patreon. You can still support us there. We just don't put up content. We put it on our own site. Instead, here are additional bonus features. First of all, it's the ground-based solar observatory at Cerro Tololo, Chile. A bunch of filaments on the earthly side of the sun. Once again, you can see filaments, 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 and more filaments. Prominences are also filaments. These are absorption features when viewed this way. They are emission features when viewed this way. They're all filaments. They could eject. They could end up basically on your doorstep. That's Cerro Tololo, Chile's ground-based National Sunspot Observatory. Next, the most recent intensitygram and colorized magnetogram. To show sunspot 2953 degrading to the point where it's about to lose its name, 2954 remaining stable, and 2955. The main umbra degrading there, but it still does have a trailing umbra there, making it a beta-class sunspot and making it slightly more likely to produce solar flares. So there's 2955 and 54. 53 is about to decay to plage, as we say. Here's the NASA Go 16 SUVI. We're expecting to do a live stream a little later today, so make sure you tune into that. It'll be a YouTube exclusive. If it gets demonetized, we will place it on BitChute exclusively. We don't expect it to. We won't be super provocative or controversial. We'll watch what words we say, as is the case in YouTube live streams. So there's some great imagery on the wide field of view from the Go 16 SUVI and ionized helium, 304 angstroms. We'll close out with 2 additional full disk views. Here's 171 angstroms. And here's 171 and 131 angstroms. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Space Weather video. Leave a comment, tell your friends and foes about us, press share, and may that solar wind be at your back. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, least posted name in news.